This video covers the ESIC updates to Social Security benefits, effective November 21, 2025. These new provisions represent a major expansion of coverage under the Code on Social Security 2020.
What has changed? The Code on Social Security 2020 modernizes outdated 1948 definitions. This brings gender equality and broader family coverage to ESIC benefits, affecting dependent and medical benefits across all facilities. A historic change is that widowers are now eligible for dependent benefits. Previously, only widows could claim this benefit. Section 224C now grants male spouses equal rights, ensuring gender equality in Social Security coverage. Grandparents are also now recognized as dependents. This intergenerational support allows grandparents to receive dependent benefits, acknowledging multi-generational family structures and extending the Social Security safety net to vulnerable elderly members. To support working women, Section 233E introduces coverage for the in-laws of female employees only. Both the father-in-law and mother-in-law are now eligible for medical benefits, treatable at all ESIC hospitals. These updates matter significantly. They ensure gender equality with equal dependent benefit rights for male and female spouses. They support generational care by acknowledging grandparents' role and contribute to women's empowerment by covering traditional care responsibilities. Regarding implementation, the revised definitions must be applied immediately from November 21, 2025. Procedures, including claim processing and documentation protocols, must be updated to ensure no eligible person is denied benefits. Compliance is required from several key entities. This includes regional directors, joint directors, medical superintendents for updating hospital claim processes, and ESIC medical colleges for implementing training protocols. Key takeaways include the replacement of the ESI Act 1948 with the COS 2020 framework. Widowers gain equal dependent benefit rights, grandparents are included as dependents, and in-laws of female employees receive medical benefits. These changes are effective immediately nationwide. This notification is a historic step towards inclusive, gender-neutral, and family-centric Social Security. Share this update with your team and ensure every eligible person is aware of their rights.